How to leave a review on Tripadvisor. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will simply guide you on how you can actually leave a review on Tripadvisor, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to leave a review on Tripadvisor, all you have to do is first of all open the Tripadvisor application over here. Then make sure you're signed into your account. Then you want to just tap on the review button from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the review button, if you look at the very top, you have an option called write a review, so you just want to tap on write a review. So basically you have to simply search for the property or the rental place that you actually stayed in, and then you will see the name listed over here. Once you find a specific hotel that you stayed in, you can just select that place, and then here over here you then see it says how would you rate your experience. So you can just give it 4 stars or 5 stars out of 5, and then what kind of visit was this, you can just select it, and then when did you visit, you can select the date as well. Then just tap on next. After you've done that, it will basically ask you to write your review, right? So all you need to do is just go ahead and make sure to enter your review over here. Once you enter the review, just tap on done, and then after you've done that, what you want to do is you can also go ahead and enter the title for this review. Once you enter the title for this review, tap on next. The app is going to verify whether or not you've stayed in the place. If you've stayed, then your review will be posted, but if you have not stayed, then you cannot actually post a review. So keep that thing in mind. Hope this video helped you as to how you can write a review. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.